The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 500 SE proves that you don't need a leader-class superbike to have an exciting ride. From the moment you see it, the motorcycle carries the unmistakable Ninja DNA with sharp bodywork, an aggressive twin LED headlight, aerodynamic fairings, and a sporty riding stance that looks fast even when it's parked. Kawasaki has done an excellent job of giving this middleweight machine a premium appearance that closely resembles its larger siblings, making it an attractive option for new riders and experienced enthusiasts alike. The special edition adds unique graphics, high-quality finishes, and premium touches that make the bike stand out without being overdone. Climb aboard, and the first thing you'll notice is how comfortable and confidence-inspiring the riding position feels. The handlebars, seat height, and foot peg placement create a balanced ergonomic setup that's sporty enough for twisty roads, while remaining comfortable for daily commuting or longer weekend rides. Fire up the parallel twin engine, and you're greeted with a smooth, refined sound that's eager without being intimidating. The engine delivers predictable power throughout the rev range, offering strong low-end torque for city traffic and enough top-end performance to keep highway riding exciting. One of the biggest strengths of the Ninja 500 SE is how easy it is to ride. The clutch feels light, the 6-speed gearbox shifts smoothly, and the throttle response is refined, making every ride feel natural whether you're navigating downtown streets or enjoying open back roads. Kawasaki's lightweight chassis gives the motorcycle impressive agility, allowing it to change direction quickly while remaining stable through corners. The suspension strikes a comfortable balance between everyday practicality and sporty performance, absorbing bumps without feeling soft or unstable. Braking performance is equally reassuring, with responsive disc brakes and ABS providing confidence in changing road conditions. Modern technology also plays a role in the overall experience. The color TFT display is bright and easy to read. Smartphone connectivity adds everyday convenience, and full LED lighting improves both visibility and style. These features help the Ninja 500 SE feel like a premium motorcycle, despite its approachable size and price. For riders across the United States, this motorcycle hits a sweet spot between performance, comfort, and affordability. It offers enough excitement for experienced riders while remaining friendly for those upgrading from smaller displacement bikes. What really makes the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 500 SE special is that it doesn't try to overwhelm you with excessive horsepower or complicated electronics. Instead, it focuses on delivering a fun, confidence-building riding experience every time you throw a leg over the seat. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring scenic highways, or spending a weekend carving through mountain roads, the Ninja 500 SE feels equally at home. It captures everything riders love about the Ninja name: sharp styling, dependable performance, and everyday usability, in a package that's both accessible and genuinely enjoyable. For anyone looking for a stylish sport bike that can do a little bit of everything, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 500 SE deserves a place at the top of the shortlist.